All right, me and Raj. Oh, it's got the. I didn't even realize it has a thing in the front. The
shows you.
Yeah. Okay, so myself, Raj, and the Mary Margaret, we are on our way to
Limón Waterfall.
Limon Waterfall. Depends on how much water has actually fallen recently, aka rain, to see how dramatic the waterfall will be.
It looks like it's about to rain.
And it looks like it might rain. So that should be interesting. Maybe cool things off a little bit. We are in Terranas. In
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Yeah, like Tyrannosaurus Rex. Raj and I both have on super cool shoes. See, those are Raj's super cool shoes too. And we are driving through the streets in the nicely colored Suzuki Jimny. It is our DR car. Raj, do you know where we are?
Absolutely not.
We've arrived.
We've arrived, apparently.
Yeah, let's keep going though. I think it's like we gotta look for the greenhouse.
There's a greenhouse right there.
Yeah.
Oh, he's telling us.
He's pointing us right here.
Dude, this is his house.
I think we
this
just
is
go up here.
Yeah, he's saying park here. This is the greenhouse right here.
Parking. Yeah, that's fine. 400. It's a good parking spot. Okay, I guess we're gonna see what happens here. Should be interesting.
There's a horse.
He's gonna try to be our guide. Maybe we let him be a guide. Who cares?
Oh, yeah,
Whatever,
you can
it's
see
cheap.
their horse through.
Yeah, we don't want to do the horse.
Or. Oh, coffee.
Oh, wow.
They love coffee.
Yeah.
Here, you want to go in front of me?
Yeah.
Oh, those are arrowheads.
Here we go. We're on our trek. An hour. Gotta be careful here. We're dodging rocks. It rained some. And of course, the horse poop. There's a lot of that.
Say cacao.
Cacao, yeah. Chocolate, right?
Chocolate, yeah.
Cacao plant.
Uh-huh.
It is definitely a cloudy day, which I appreciate. But if it rains down here, I don't know if I'm gonna like this rain. I don't know what these guys got coming up here. Something with a generator. With these shoes, anything is possible. In the Dominican jungle. Getting a little exercise in, headed to a waterfall. El Limon. I think that's the name of the guy on Narcos, one of Pablo Escobar's henchmen. El Limon, or it was his driver, yeah, if you watch Narcos. These are definitely the best water shoes I've ever had.
Yeah, I just took one.
No, these things are legit. Your feet get a little loosey-goosey inside, but not too bad. The water comes right out. We are in the jungle, exploring. All of a sudden, you get like a different level of silence out here. Quiet, yeah. You can still hear the kids that were playing in the river behind us. But all of a sudden, all the lush of the forest starts to dampen all the sounds.
All you have left to listen to is Raj's heavy breathing.
Raj is breathing heavy, but he's loving every minute of it.
Like
Coming up to a little opening here. Oh wow, this is really pretty. Yeah.
El pan iba a llevar, mira muchacho, la tipa oficial del hombre, toda la vaina. Y ese tigre, ya tú sabes, durísimo en la calle, chocando. Ay, mi madre.
We've been walking for, Raj, how long have we been walking for? 45 minutes? We're about 45 minutes in, deep in the Dominican jungle, Samana area, I guess. And I think we're getting pretty close to the waterfall. How dramatic the waterfall is depends on how much recent rainfall has happened in the area. So, probably in a few minutes here, we're gonna find out. The photos online, they look great. We're gonna see if it lives up to the hype.
Wow.
Oh, avocado.
I think I've ever seen one.
That's huge.
Where is it?
This whole big thing.
This thing.
Oh, where's the avocado?
No, I don't think it's.
Not seasoned. This is so we are reaching the top, I think, kind of this mountainous region. Looks pretty amazing. Going up this way does seem steeper.
Well, you got her exercise.
Yeah, that's what we needed. Can't be doing the 12-ounce curl all day, Raj. Do you know what the 12-ounce curl is?
Oh, what's that?
Drinking a beer. 12-ounce curl.
Oh.
Raj didn't know the 12-ounce curl. Oh my God, look at this, guys.
Beautiful.
All my 3 viewers on YouTube. Look at, you're not ready for it, but here it is. Unbelievable. See how beautiful all this is? And then, look at that guy. Go see him if you come here. #1 tour guide, okay? #1, yeah, this is amazing. Headed back down the trail. Oh, I got a dog on me. I'm not even joking, literally, there is a dog on me. He's looking for assistance to come down the trail. Oh, I had a couple of horses coming.
Hola, amigo.
Hola, hola. Guys, today we got Raj's heart rate up. He's feeling good. He's probably gonna get a meal, a nap, a cold shower, then probably turn that into a hot shower. And then he will proceed to the 1-ounce curl, AKA tequila, and 12-ounce curl, the El Presidente Light, extra cold.
You notice that nobody here is light?
Yeah, there's not it's a little bit harder to find El Presidente Light around here. It's more the standard El Presidente. With a lime, it's fantastic. Oh, we made it to the ranch. Okay, nice. Made it. Tu casa?
No.
Oh, bonita. Wow.
Casa.
Back?
Sí.
It's very bonita, man. Whew.
Aquí solo para Coca-Cola.
Babita.
Cerveza, sí.
Cerveza. Oh my God. Someone, what the hell is that? Oh, the rooster. Chicken rooster. Leon?
No.
No lions here, guys. No lions, okay.
Say bambino.
Okay, we are at the ranch here. Got our dog following us. Got a couple horses.
Eso está bueno, me le tiré una foto de salto, yo voy a comer ahí de noche en domingo.
Guys, we have found the waterfall. Hello, hola. You ready for this? Wow. Beautiful. Do you have coconut? Sí?
¿Tú tienes coco?
Sí.
Frio? Frio?
Normal.
Okay. Mary Margaret, you want a coconut? Raj, you want a coconut? Tres? Tres coconut.
Tres coco.
See?
Porque le dije salud, porque tenía la boca ocupada.
Ah, tranquilo. ¿Cómo te sabes? Sí, si ellos quieren hielo, le ponen hielo.
¿Dónde ahí no van a hacer coco natural? ¿Cómo fue eso?
Habla español, ¿verdad?
Poquito.
¿Quiere un poquito de hielo en el copo?
Do you want some ice in it?
Ice? No, it's okay. No yellow.
Yo no hablo inglés, yo no hablo inglés, pero hablo muy bien el español. Sí.
Mira cómo ella se
Necesito escuela.
Donkeys don't do well by like not doing stuff, so they're actually great for like work and stuff.
Oh.
Because they like it. So where are the stairs?
I'm sure he's gonna talk in a minute.
No tiene cabeza.
So it looks like the going up is the hard part of the stairs.
Going down, going back up the stairs because it's a lot of stairs. Oh. Okay, having a little coconut. Fresh coconut. Raj, your coconut's coming up. Okay, we are headed down the stairs. I think it's about 20 stories or so. They say 250 stairs. They're not really stairy stairs. We got a guide in the slides. Zapatos? Loco. You got my dude's coming down in the slides like this is nothing. So Mary Margaret's saying she wishes, because getting here is all uphill, but now we got to go downhill to get to the waterfall. So she's saying she wished it was all uphill, so then it's just a kind of a breeze to get back. So yeah, so now we're going down, and then we're gonna have fun going up. To give you an example, this is part of what we've been going up. So it's a little trek through here in the Dominican jungle. Apparently there's no tigers and lions. I did ask. Of course, there's no way for him to get here. Yeah, I know, I was just joking with the guy. Mary Margaret thought I was serious. Yeah, tigers can't swim here, so unless someone brought over a herd of them and somehow they kept reproducing and weren't caught. But I don't think that was the case. Oh, the dog's following us again. We got our dog friend. He's following us. Or we call him here, El Perro. Perro. Okay. Oh, there's the dog going. Following us along. This dog's in better shape than us. Okay, now we're getting to some man-made stairs, rocks and concrete, as you can see here. Not too bad, a little slippery. We had a little rain earlier. So some wet leaves, got to be a little careful. It's about, my research said it's about 250 stairs. So that's about close to 20 stories, so it's going down 20 stories, going back up about 20 stories. But like anything, take your time. Nothing wrong with taking a break. Oh, nope, there goes the dog. Dog likes Mary Margaret. Oh, seeing the water through the trees. I think we're the only ones left here. Kind of here late in the day. They were cleaning up at the ranch up there. We got another. I think we'll be faster going back. Sure. Coming down to the peak of it.
Ooh, it's slippity-doo there.
Oh, very pretty.
Muy bonito. Oh, the dog. Perro. Pulling off in the sand. Wow, that's pretty.
So we made it to the waterfall. It is pretty. You can't really see from here. There's a bigger portion. I don't know where that is or obviously how to get to it, but yeah, this is pretty. I guess people jump. I don't know how they jump on that, but I'm not jumping this time. I will jump off a cliff, but it does not look deep enough. I'd have to see someone do it first and then I would do it.
Aqui?
Now we're headed to the big waterfall that we saw earlier. So got some nice little handmade stairs. And then of course, we got our dog. Not our dog, but one of he's coming with us. Hey, doggy. Oh, wow. Wow. It was definitely worth the hike. Wow. Absolutely. This is beautiful. Unbelievable. If you see way up there, I'll probably have to zoom, way up there, that's where the ranch is that we initially walked to. Right about there. That's where we got to go back to and then keep going on the trail. But this was just an amazing experience at Limon, Dominican Republic. Okay. No, it's okay. So, time to head back. You ready for this? Ooh. see the trail. I feel like going down these stairs here. These are pretty steep. Definitely more of a challenge. Oh, there's the dog. Our friend. Yeah, I was just saying, I said that we gotta wait for Mary Margaret. She's got shorter legs. It's not as easy for her as it is for us, especially me. Yeah, she's only 5 feet tall. All right, doggy. Yeah, I'm just trying to get in the shot. It's about 5 p.m. and it's starting to get dark. We've got a little bit of a trek ahead of us, so we're gonna have to hump it a little bit. Oh, that water's a little cool. Definitely gonna have to hump it on the way back. Almost fell. We got 20 stories of stairs to go. So heart rate's about to pump. Definitely gonna sweat off some of those 2 coconuts that I just drank. Okay, we have gone up about the first 50. What's that?
Pineapple.
Pineapple?
Uh-huh.
Oh, pineapple, Mary Margaret. Good.
Piña.
Uh-huh.
Pina. I think we're about 20% of the way. Pretty good. The key, slow and steady. Don't let the heart rate spike. Let the heart rate spike, you're game over. Since we're in the middle of this jungle, you don't want to be game over. Look at those stairs. What is that? Pterodactyl. We are the last ones on the trail, that's for sure. It's getting a little late. Sun is coming down. You don't want to be in the jungle in the dark. I'm not saying that from a place of experience. I'm just guessing. Definitely sweating. Not so much from an endurance challenge, although I do feel it. It is steamy in this jungle, especially since it rained. I'm talking major humidity. Oh, what did he find? What'd you catch, dog? What'd you get, buddy? Huh? Okay, coming back up. Here's a ranch on the mountaintop. So definitely good little hike. It's about 20 stories of stairs. Feel pretty good though. Oh, so beautiful. Waterfall. Need a photo of that. So we are headed back. A little bit of a race for the sun. We're the only ones left on this trail.
It's a race against time.
It's a race against time, says Mary Margaret. We got Raj ahead of us a little bit. He said, I'm done with Mikey and Mary Margaret's little adventure trail. I'm taking a horse back, he said, and he's over it. So we got Raj on a horse ahead of us. Oh, here he is. Let's see this down some rocky terrain too. Oh. Oh, there's the one. Oh, there's the one. Where's the one? It's over there. Definitely starting to get a little dark around here. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but I mean, I think we're fine. I'm not really worried at this point because we're making good time back. We even caught Raj on the horse, but it's, you know, still got to be careful. And then the roads to get here weren't the best, so I'd rather not be driving in the dark on those roads, which I'm not familiar with. Luckily, if you come here, GPS works just fine. If you go to, make sure you follow to all the way to the end. That's the number one tip, because they try to make you park ahead of the place and like way far away. Like a guy on a motorcycle will probably come start following you and be like, hey, come this way, come this way. You don't want to go that way at all. Silent. Only thing I hear is bugs flying by my head. So at the end of the video, I'll make sure I have the exact place you want to go. I'll see if I can put a pin of Google Maps coordinate in the description of this video, so that we can click that and just follow it. The first turn when we did a Google Maps, it made us, there wasn't really the turn there. We kept going and then there were some signs, so just kind of follow the signs. But, you know, there'll be people with the badges that they're official guys. I mean, anybody with a Brother inkjet printer can make one of those badges and a little lanyard. So don't really fall for that, but, you know, it's not a big deal. They might try to arbitrage you a little bit, but definitely negotiate. The difference is not going to be that much, but it's probably worth it. I would say I would definitely hire a guide just to have somebody, a local with you, just for the money, if you can afford it. I mean, it's pretty cheap, and they know the lay of the land and everything. We definitely could have done this by ourselves, but if anything did happen, it makes a huge difference to have someone that can help with whatever that situation would be, that can speak the language better, knows the locals and everything else. So for that, I would say it's worth the money. It's definitely worth the adventure. What's that? Snake?
Tarantula.
Tarantula? Where? 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 No. Inside? Really?
Yeah, you see the leg.
Oh, shoot! Oh, that is a for real tarantula right there. Oh my God. Not today, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see what I can do with the photos and such to edit that, but that's where I need the stick, like the long GoPro stick, so I could get a close-up. But I'd love to show everybody that's watching this, you know, everything that I see here on this trip today, but I'm not risking my life over it, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Not for the 3 people that are actually going to watch this video. I mean, that leg was thick, okay? It was, I don't know, but I don't know how he saw that. Mr. Eagle Eye over here. Like I was just saying, that's why you get a guide. I mean, we totally would have missed that. He's looking out. I mean, it's not somewhere we would have walked, but you never know. I don't want to find out. I don't want to F around and find out as far as the tarantula. Yeah, he's fine. I see he went out the other way. The dog's got his own routes. We've got to be getting kind of close. At this point, we've been moving pretty quick. A mile left?
I mean, a little over
Half a mile left? Oh, well, kind of wish I had my regular glasses. Wearing sunglasses starting to get... What the heck is that? That's not a bird, unless it's a pterodactyl. Yeah, I wonder if I can zoom in on that photo I took with my phone, because I just took like a basic photo and highlight it and then send it to my grandmother. My grandmother would love to see that we saw a tarantula in the wild. Apparently they jump too. They're like jump on you, like they can really jump. Evan was telling me. We can still see the trail. I wish I wasn't wearing sunglasses at this point. It's a little dark, but okay, I hear music, so I think we're getting close. Oh, that's Mary Margaret's phone, so never mind about that. It is still extremely humid, cooled off a little bit, but we're definitely trying to get down this hill a little bit faster before the dark sets in and the tarantulas start coming out. What? Not the tarantulas. So the first part went through a little stream. You can definitely hear it at this point, which means we are really close. Up one more decent sized hill. Oh, there's the roster waiting for us on the Mustang. Okay, open it up a little bit, a little brighter, which is good. I like a little adventure. I just don't like a little adventure in the dark in a jungle, okay? There he is. Ooh, feels good. A little chilly. That's some nice water.
Ángel subió para allá.
Ooh, that looks fun. Little mixture of mud and horse poop. He's fishing over there. Something. Gonna catch something, do something. I'm not sure.
Estoy esperando. Última palabra. Suelta y voy para allá.
Oh, see the fish?
Malí, hasta diciembre llega Malí. Y pasa de ahí tenemos que... Grande, ahora. Por el güey otra vez ahí. Estaba como enamorado de la tentación.
There it is, the end.
Ellos dejan de comer.
Okay. Ooh. Don't fall the last few steps. Okay, this is where you need to go. This is the house. Look for this. Raj, how was the Mustang?
Oh, amazing.
It's good?
Good care of me. Just had to stay on it.
Okay, this is it. So when you see this house, this is the house you need to find. And this is the entrance, the real entrance to El Limon. House here. Raj, do we owe money for the horse?
I don't know.
Dinero for the...
Para la caballo.
1,000 pesos.
Huh?
1,000 pesos.
I got it though. I have it, Raj. I think my last... Ooh. Finito right there. Finito peso right there. Well worth it to get Raj back safe.
No puedo comer.
Muchas gracias. Adios. I'll put you on the video. Everyone come see you. See? Find him. He te gusta dinero. Yeah, strong like this. So you have no worries with the tarantula. He help you in the tarantula, everything. Okay.
I don't know when I passed them.
Yeah, you want to scoop the horse.
Oh, you can pass him. You're gonna eventually have to pass him.
I'm gonna wait.
So on the way back, we saw this random beach and thought we would stop. And this is what it looks like.